In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw arrows in Miro. If you've ever found yourself working on a Miro board and needed to connect your thoughts or ideas with clear and concise visual links, you're in the right place. Drawing arrows is a fundamental aspect of creating effective diagrams and enhancing collaboration in Miro. And today I'm going to guide you through each step to mastering this essential skill. First, let's start by heading over to Miro and navigating to your boards. Once you're at your dashboard, you'll want to select the board where you want to draw your arrows. If you haven't created a board yet, you can easily do so by choosing the option to create a new board. Otherwise, go ahead and open an existing one. This is where the magic happens and will transform your multitude of ideas into a beautifully organized visual map. Now that you're in your board, take a glance to the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see the toolbar with several options. Look for the icon that represents shapes and lines. This is your toolkit for drawing not just arrows, but a variety of other connectors and organizers. Clicking on it will open up a menu containing an assortment of shapes, lines, and of course arrows. Once you have the Shapes and Lines menu open, you can explore the different types of arrows available for you to use. Miro offers a variety of arrow styles to choose from, ranging from simple straight lines to curved arrows. Take a moment to see which one fits the aesthetic and functional purpose of your board. After you find an arrow style you like, select it. Now it's time to place your chosen arrow onto the board. Simply click on your desired location on the board and the arrow will appear. You can move it around and position it as needed to connect different elements on your board. This is where you start visually linking your ideas, and with arrows you can guide the attention of your viewers to your intended points of focus. Additionally, there's a neat feature in Miro that allows you to connect these arrows to other elements within your board. To do this, click on a picture or any element you wish to associate with another. Then, you can extend an arrow from this element to another, creating a direct visual path between the two. This feature is particularly useful for making connections obvious and easily understandable at a glance, helping to convey the logical flow or relationships between elements. And that's it. You now know how to draw arrows in Miro and connect all the different components of your board seamlessly. By mastering this simple yet powerful tool, you enhance your ability to communicate ideas visually, making your boards not only more effective but also more enjoyable to both create and navigate. Happy Miro boarding!